So I'm going to sign in. This is the new dashboard. And for those of you that haven't had access to it yet, you're going to notice that there are a number of new features. The first one I'm going to cover is top left-hand corner here. Now we have users and administration. So the reason we ask for that initial person as who's going to be the key contact, that person is going to automatically be given administration rights, and they're going to have the ability to go in and set up additional users. So if I click on users and administration, it's going to take me into a new dashboard here. And here I can assign people to this InSights database. So you can see in our current team here, we have a number of individuals from SDT that are in our current team. And if I wanted to add somebody new, I would just put in their name, first name, last name, put in their email. I would hit register user, and what that will do will automatically send an email out to that person with a link and instructions on how to get connected to their InSights page. So that kind of is nice now. So everything can be controlled by the company themselves. And if they want to come in and remove anybody, it's very simple just to come in to users and admin and delete that particular user. So if someone leaves the organization or they don't need to get access to it anymore, it's very easy to come in and just delete them. So if I didn't want access, I could delete myself. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to show you anything if I did that, but you get the point. So from here, to get back to my main dashboard, I click on Dashboard Home. This is going to take me to my main dashboard, and this is where all the action happens. So again, we have the ability to create a leak report, an electrical report. We can now generate an LDAR report. So an LDAR report, LDAR stands for leak detect and repair, and it is tied into kind of fugitive emissions. So really kind of in oil and gas and those kind of places where they want to identify where they have any fugitive emissions and report on them. So you can create a separate LDAR report specifically for that. It's going to work in the same manner as the other reports do. It's not going to calculate any potential cost savings, but it is a way to report on any of those kind of findings.